Welcome back to Stockpile. Today I'm going to show you how to create the intro that you saw in the beginning of this video. So let's get started. Download the file from video's description and open the file in Filmora. Now go to title. Now select the default title. Now double click on the file. Go to Advanced. Set font size as 50. Now go to Animation and search for typewriter. Now go to Project Media and drag and drop the fire effect. Double click on the clip. Go to Blending Mode and select Lighten. Now go to Transition and select Fade. Now export this file. Now clear the timeline and import the file. Now drag and drop the imported clip into the timeline like this. Double click on the clip. Go to Transform. Now follow me. Increase the size to 5. Now follow me. Now drag and drop the same clip that we exported before. Apply the sound effect. Now render the clip.